The emotional roller coaster on this call is obvious, and I don't know why. I mean, I just want people to understand what I already know, and they never do. Will you? So many teachable moments. This isn't a grown adult man who has otherwise successful businesses. Oh, we lost it. Please, you lost nothing.
Hello.
Here it is again.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone? Where did it go?
Well, somebody with your background and knowledge has taken it over.
Oh my God.
I stopped by on Sunday and they ripped out all the machines and they ripped up the tile floor and they've begun renovation.
You scared me. Thought somebody died. There's nothing we could do about it. Nothing could be done.
What do you mean?
Well, you know what I mean. He's gone. And we couldn't do nothing about it.
Well, that process was probably in the works for some time. Did we get anybody on the phone over here?
Yeah, we talked to Dean and he was the one who said they were turning in their keys and we called them and left a voicemail once and then didn't call them again last week and he didn't answer. So I stopped by to see what was going on and they had already passed. They were moving on.
I doubt Dean knew much of anything.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't be sad. Happens all the time.
Yeah, it's tough beat for me, man, because it felt like it was right in my hands.
Six months ago, were you looking for free laundromats? Here I am counseling. I'm not going to counsel you. You can't think that way.
We started in May, but yes, I've been looking since probably late last year.
Okay, turn the frown upside down. Plenty of laundromats. We have, I am going to call this guy and see what he knows. Dean. You really sound upset.
Like I said, I thought it was a done deal. They were handing in the keys.
How is it a done deal? It's not a done deal.
Huh?
This guy didn't. This guy didn't do a thing. This guy didn't get that. But just come on, man. Really, you didn't lose anything. What if you would have bought a laundromat? You didn't lose anything. Chill.
Of course.
I honestly. Here we go.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes. How are you?
Never better. I have. Go ahead.
I think they're negotiating to get keys back. That's in process. So we could have some discussion about.
We just went by there, and it looks like somebody's starting to work on the retool. I mean, from my experience, they've pulled equipment. They're pulling the tile. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that, but it looks like they're using kid gloves, so it looks like they're not trying to ruin the infrastructure. I mean, you're the guy, right? You would know if something's going down.
Yeah. No, it's our company. Our company manages the property.
Yeah.
But I'm not. I'm doing more of the leasing and selling.
Yeah. You're not boots on the ground. But I'm telling you right now, I just went by there, and there is something afoot, my friend.
Okay, I'll find out. But at the end of the day, it's 1,500 feet. Probably going to ask somewhere, I don't know, I had heard, but I questioned $350 a foot plus triple net. The triple nets are $1.51.
Yeah. Well, if anybody's going to pay that, they're going to lose their ass and their money and their investment. Just saying, a $1,500. And look, I'm not here to talk about what the market will bear.
I agree with you.
Right.
I agree with you. Just let me know how you make money there and what you can pay.
Sure. Well, no, it's not an argument. I'm just saying.
You're saying. What are you saying?
It's also not. It's not sad either that laundromats. But here's what I was getting at. The difference between me potentially operating and the previous operator is the debt service on the equipment, and I don't hope that I pay it off quickly. We have a schedule, and we want to run out our tax depreciation for 7 long years and then renew the equipment. So it's all thought out. And at that, I'm paying on the equipment for 7 years. Your previous operator didn't. I see so many laundromats like this. Hey, $350, $150. Oh my God, that's a lot.
No, he took over the. Yeah, well, the issue is it doesn't have to be a laundromat.
Absolutely.
Part of the problem.
And when you say that, I say vanilla
the
space, get rid of it. Get an optometrist in there that can give you $5 a square foot. Do me a favor, just this is my cell phone number. I know you know who I am because you picked up a new. Just let's figure out what's going on, because it looks like somebody's in there heave-hoeing everything and work is being done.
I will, but regardless, at the end of whenever the box is available and we can talk about what you think you could pay and make money.
Yeah, I appreciate that. But I'm wondering if that's the case.
At the end of the day,
why are your maintenance people I mean, I don't see this as being the previous operator.
We need to clean it up. We need to clean it up regardless.
Okay.
I guess that's it then.
But you're leaving the infrastructure
that floor isn't going to make the next tenant if that's what they're doing.
No, I do concrete floors.
Yeah.
Okay, but you a minute ago, and
I mean, I'll find out the infrastructure there is probably not worth the damn thing either because it's old.
But that's where you're wrong. If I'm going to lease this, I don't want your guys tearing it up because the infrastructure is exactly what I'm after every time. Doesn't matter how old it is, still good. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
This is my cell phone. You can call me at 10 o'clock tonight and I'll pick up and we'll talk.
Okay.
Thanks. What a idiot. And I do mean you. All right, Richard, you can't get all upset about this. This guy doesn't know his ass from a hole in the wall. He doesn't know what's going on. But to think that we talked to this guy a week ago and you lost the store. We're the only ones talking to him, and he's the guy. So I don't know, but we need to get in there and.
The heck do you mean?
Plus, at the end of the day, it's $5 a square foot, and it's only 1,500 square feet, and you don't want it anyway, and you're crying in your Cheerios. Please. Yep. I don't let people make bad deals, and this is not a deal at all.
Yep.
Okay, goodbye.
Danny.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it. Really, honestly.
Not at all. Every time I'm red in the face because I have to listen to you sit there and, I thought somebody died. Nobody died. Goodbye.
Got it. See ya.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.